Oklahoma City 911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, they're busting the window to the old school, which should be surrounded with a fence that they're not supposed to go into.
There's going to be people inside the building, inside busting windows.
23 minutes after the initial 911 phone call, the drone was deployed.
Unknown number of subjects, weapons are unknown.
Do you have infrared on that?
Yeah, I do.
You may just start flying through some of these windows, second and third floor, see if you pick up any heat signatures.
Maybe nothing, but there's a little bit of a heat signature on the third window on the north side. I can't quite tell what it is. You guys are passing it right now.
This is clear over here.
Upon deploying the drone, finds the subjects actually on the roof.
Y'all on the roof?
No, I'm on the roof. You have something up there?
Yeah, I've got 3 people on the roof.
He finds the heat signature. The suspects are coming out of a roof port. He's able to direct the officers on the ground.
It looks like they're walking towards the north side.
This is a huge building. They ended up finding a different roof hatch. As soon as the suspects recognize the officers, all 3 of them are standing there with their hands in the air.
We got 3 people on the roof. Great job.
How many people were with you all together, though?
There were 3 of you all together.
So there just happened to be like other people in the building with you? Because we've caught other people already.
Come out! Keep your hands up!
As they're in custody, they were very amazed and had no idea that the police department had the use of drones.